Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome. Glad to have you. And today I'm doing my Allure for April? Yeah, it's April. April 2026. Now, if you're not familiar with Allure, it is now $29.99 a box. But if you were already subscribed, they grandfathered you when they raised that. So it's still $24.99. And you can get discounts by paying 3, 6, or 12 months. And the more you buy, the more you get. And yes, I got a little bit of makeup on, but not much, because I just been kind of hanging out doing my thing. But I said, well, let's get these recorded. I've got a couple to get recorded. And I think I finally got one of my other boxes. Should be here by the end of the week. So, yeah, everything's just been so slow. But anyway, when you open this up, that's what it looks like. And it gives you this card. This is a $10 off store credit. And then you have this little brochure. And it usually tells you what's in it and how much it's worth and all that. Which I have everything linked below. And usually I put the value of the items on the top. And then I give you the total for the box. But just be aware that prices will change. You know, this is as time was shaping. And do me a favor, because I'm really trying to get my subscribers up. Go ahead and leave me a like, subscribe, and do all YouTube things before I get started, because I always forget to do that in the beginning. And then I'm at the end and I'm like, well. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is Omio Skincare 10% Tranexamic Acid Face Serum. Never heard of it. It improves skin complexion, helps reduce appearance of dark spots, and paraben free. But you know, as you get older, them dark spots start being a problem. So, and I've been out in the sun a lot already this year, so. But I'm feeling much better. My biologics seem to be doing the trick this time, so hopefully I'll have a good summer with the kids. And hopefully I'll get them next week, because I'm missing little shits. Anyway, it comes like this in one of these bottles. It's not a very big bottle, but it is full size. And that's what it looks like. And it's got a safety seal on it, so let me, well, almost got it. I don't know what has been going on the last 2 weeks. Putting on my makeup has just been a chore. I don't know why, but I've been getting all yard work caught up. Stuff around here a little bit caught up, so hopefully. But I was going to pick my babies up Saturday, but they've got a birthday party Sunday. So they'll let them go and have fun. But anyway, it looks like this. Let me find the front. That looks like that. I have a little dropper. This is a glass bottle. So this is a good one to, I don't know if you can see that. That's the consistency, and it's very cool. And it doesn't have any bad odors like some of them do. Kind of smells a little bit like baby shampoo. But I have never heard of this. So, it's a little sticky. But we'll try. We'll try. The next thing is Believe Aqua Bomb Frozen Cream Immediate Skin Cooling Effect. Yes. Visibility reduces appearance of pores. Yes. That's what it says. And it's it's 30.33 fluid ounces. Now, with Allure, you're guaranteed 3 full-size items, and I kind of think this might be a deluxe sample. And then you're guaranteed 3 full-size items. And this is what it looks like. Just like that. It's supposed to be cooling. I don't notice the difference, but so I would assume this is a deluxe sample because it's not very large. Then we have this. This is a Cryo-Ice Shake Roller Depuff Sculpt Detox. That's what it says. And I did see, because I was reading up, because I was like, what is that thing? Because I did look for the spoilers. And so it looks like this. And it has your directions here. And I was like, what is it? You know, cryo. Well, you're supposed to put it in that freezer for, how many minutes did it say? I forget how many minutes it said. I did read that. Heat sensitive technology. When temperature of falls below 20 C, the contour gradually changes from white to pink. This will turn pink when it's cool enough. And it says don't use on the eyeballs or wounded areas, neck or throat nodes, the top of the heart or surgically enhanced body parts. Okay. It says put it in the freezer for 90 minutes and allow it to sit for 2 minutes before you use it, and glide onto clean skin using pressing motion for a maximum of 15 minutes or until the device is no longer cold. Suitable for use throughout the day, stored in the freezer between uses. So you can just leave it in there. But it turns pink when it's cold enough. That's interesting. Something different. I was wondering if it would pull on the skin or not, but it seems to glide. But you could put, you know, eye cream or whatever on it and just do it like that. You could do that. So we'll give it a whirl. See if I'm just, you know, let's see if I look 13. Then we have YSL Love Shine Candy Glaze Gloss Stick. Now we've gotten this before, but usually this is Flashing Rose, and you did get to choose your shade. Now I know we've gotten these before, but there might be just different choices of colors because they do try to keep you from getting repeats. Let's see. Now, this stuff, it's like, you know, it's YSL. So it's going to be expensive. And it is. It's like $40-some. And I'll be honest with you. See, it really doesn't last very long. And when it's gone, it doesn't leave any color or anything. So, would I pay $43 for it? Absolutely not. Yeah. It wouldn't be so bad, I don't think, if they had like... See, you like lick your lips? It's gone. I got chapped lips right now. I don't know what that's about, but yeah. And I mean, the packaging is just special. You know, it's like, see how rich I am? But the formula, it feels great on your lips, but it doesn't last. And it doesn't leave any color behind when it's gone. So, yeah. If I was them, that's what I would be working on. But I'm not them, and they don't care what I think. They're thinking, hey, lady, you're not our target audience. Because I don't have a lot of money. Okay, then we have Nude Brow Shape Altering Serum. And they said, if you overdid your brows in the whatever, 60s, 50s, 70s, whatever, And that's what it looks like. And this stuff is just a serum for, you know, to help with hair loss of your eyebrows. Now, I heard that also that lash serum people use for it too. So, and I heard a lot of people were, when they started making this stuff, it was because people were actually buying Rogaine and using it on their eyebrows. Yeah, so there's that. And I don't have thick eyebrows, and they are, you know, they're getting thinner, but I never overdid it anyway. And then we have by Rosie Jane. Now this is their full-size travel thing. You know, it's meant to just be a travel size, but they call, you know, it's full size. It's the smallest bottle. And I've had this before, the smell. I think it came in one of the other boxes. It's just a little spray. I'll spray it in there. And it does smell very good. I will say that. Let's see if it has. It feels like sleeping in your birthday suit, naked and subtle. That's what it says. No parabens, no phthalates, clean formulas, vegan, cruelty-free, U.S.-made, female family. Huh. See if it says the notes over here. No, it just says the ingredients. I wonder why it doesn't. Oh. Nope, didn't say it here either. Clean beauty for cool humans. That's what it says. But it's kind of, I don't know how to describe it. You know, it's got a scent, like a woodsy scent at the end. But in the beginning, it's kind of floral. So it's like a combination. I do like the smell of it. And I like to get these when they have these. You know, if they have them in the store for cheap or whatever, it's make great stocking stuffers for the girls, because they always want perfume. And then I'll get the bigger bottles too when they have them, because they make great Christmas gifts. And I just kind of pack them up, put them in one box, and then at Christmas I just sort them. And the kids all think they hit the gold mine. And anyway, that's Allure for April 2026. And like I said before, please like, subscribe, do all the YouTube things. And remember, old people need love too. Bye.